What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode with me, the Vaccinator. Today I am here at the Outcasts Club Dam for our annual in-house club comp. Everyone is busy launching and getting their boats ready for our first of the season comp. It should be good. Let's see how the fishing goes, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the water and give you guys some progress in a little bit. Cool. Peace. Very misty. Like you can barely see the other anglers, that's how misty it is. Yeah, I'm going to start off with a bit of top water. I've already been getting some lobes, but it's a lot of small fish. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Hopefully the mist goes away and the fishing actually picks up and you can pick up some bigger fish. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Small ones, eh? So I don't want to go to a smaller bait, I'd rather keep to the bigger bait, and that big one has to bite sometime or another. Trying the yum bait that I got from the secret tackle box. I just want to get 3 alright ones, and then I'm going to start throwing big swim baits, eh? Yeah, I think I'm also like about 6 to 8, but I'm throwing them back. I've got one in the live well that's about 1.5 kilos. No, I'm joking. I don't know, eh? Some lekker fish come out here lately. So guys, I've caught on that yum kill bait from the secret tackle box. So that's one down, and then I've been throwing the frog with a couple of takes, but I think it's a smaller fish, so they're not really, getting hooked. So I'll try with those baits a bit later again. What's up, guys? It's been a tough day for me this morning. I've only caught a couple of small fish. It's been quite tough. So yeah, not looking good for me. But we've still got half a day to go. Let's see what I can come up with. Maybe I'll pick up something better to end. Fingers crossed. Let's check out, guys. Finally, I'm getting a few little bigger than what I've got now. So guys, yeah, end of the day. Yeah, I didn't do too well. I don't even know where I placed, somewhere there in the middle. But the comp went well for some of the guys that caught some good fish, and the biggest fish was just under 2 kilo. So yeah, it was a tough day, but we had a lot of fun. The day was super hot, and whew, lots of little fish were caught. A lot of it I didn't catch on camera because I was waiting for that big bite, and I was going to switch on camera, and it just didn't come, and so I barely got any footage of any fish catching. So yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share with all your friends and family, and catch you guys on the next episode. Peace, have a good one.